In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add test group and test description to an extent report. You're watching automateNow and I'm Marco Cruz. Let's dive in. This video is going to be in response to another video that I made. In that video, I show how you can add test group information to the extent report. And I got this request from Pabu. They are asking, can you please make a video to see the description messages and group name at the top of normal extent reports? So that's what I'm about to show you now. And this is the code that we've written to develop the extent report. If you would like a detailed description of this, please check out the video card above. This method is called onTestFailure. So anytime that a test fails, what this method does is that it takes a screenshot of the failed test. And this is the method in charge of doing that. Then we create an extent report and add various things to it. For example, we've learned how to add stack trace to the extent report. We've also learned how to add screenshots, as well as categories. Now let me take you to the test that we're going to be using in this video. And here I have these couple of tests. You'll notice here that each of these tests has a different group. The group for this test right here says smoke. So this is considered a smoke test. While this one says integration. And each of these tests contains a description. Now we're going to learn how we can add this information right here to the extent report. So we're basically going to be adding these groups and description information. So let's go back to the test listener. So we're going to take a look at this part right here that says extent.createTest. We're going to go to the last item right here, delete this semicolon, and we're going to say .info. This is to add new information to the report. And I'm going to be referring to this parameter right here, iTestResult. So let me copy this and put it down here. And we're going to say .getMethod. And this is going to give me access to the test method that failed. Then we're going to say .getDescription. And this method right here is going to give us access to this information right here, the description information. Then I'm going to say .info. Again, I'm going to use iTestResult and say .getMethod .getGroups. And we're getting an error. And that is because we want to pass a string to the info method. However, the getGroups method returns a string array. So we need to do some casting here. So here I'm going to say arrays dot to string. And that should take care of the issue. Now let me reformat this code here to make it all line up. This last line right here is going to give us the group information. This right here. This one and this one. Now let me go ahead and run this test right here in this class so that we can take a look at the report. And I forgot to mention that these tests right here are meant to fail. That's why we see failures right here. Both of the tests failed. And we have generated an extent report, this one right here. And let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to right click it and then say open in browser and then default. Take a look at what the report looks like. Here we have the two failed tests. This one here and this one here. This information right here changes. This is coming from the group information. But this is not the information that we added. What we added is down here. This that says info right here. And it says save screenshot to Word document. This is coming from the test description. And then we have this smoke. This is the group information. If I click on this other one, notice that this group changes to integration. I had a lot of fun making this special request video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you have a special request, please feel free to reach out. I would love to get back to you. Also, check out the video card on the screen. It shows you how to add screenshots to extent reports. I'll see you guys in the next video.